as you know, he's called Michael Owusu-Addo. I was a very big fan of Michael Jackson. So that's how come I named him Michael. You know, so I didn't know he was going to be great in music as he is now. Because when he started, I actually asked him, and he said it was just like a hobby. You know. But then I realized it was going on and on and on, and then now here he is. And I'm very happy the way he's going, and I'm praying that he does better and better and better.
So are you surprised that so many people turned out for your son tonight?
For this occasion?
Yeah.
No. This is the 8th one, isn't it? And it's been very great all the years around, so I'm not surprised at all. I'm not surprised at all.
All right, so what's your favorite song from your boy?
My favorite one is Brighter Day.
Brighter Day?
Yeah.
Can you sing a line for us?
Yes.
Can you sing a line?
Can I?
Yeah.
No, I'm not a good singer. I'm not a good singer. Brighter day, brighter day, brighter day. Everything, something like that. But I'm not very good in that. Yeah.
All right. Wish him a Merry Christmas and tell him how proud you are.
Tell who?
Wish him a Merry Christmas.
Who, Mike?
Yeah.
Oh, Mike, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a blessed New Year. I hope the coming year, last year wasn't too good because of the COVID and all those things, but I'm praying that the coming years will be great. And you go on, and not only in Ghana, but throughout the whole world. Yeah.